That one's also from Nanny and Grandpa.
Nanny and Grandpa.
Yeah. You give me the card? I'll read you the card.
Card. The card?
Yeah, bring it over here and I'll read it. Bring it here.
Card. Oh man, please.
Pull the paper off.
A greasy.
It's greasy.
Easter egg.
For a special grandson. Happiness is having a grandson like you to love every day of the year. Happy Easter from Granny and Grandpa.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that?
Easter.
Baby's first Bible. See, that's Jesus. That's Jesus. It's a baby Bible.
Elephant.
Is there an elephant there? Yep.
Giraffe.
A giraffe.
Elephant. Why?
Can you say thank you?
Bobby.
Say thank you.
Jeff and Bolt. And a monkey.
Say thank you to Nanny and Grandpa. Max, say thank you.
Thank you.